Hello and welcome to Elementary Music with Donna. I am Donna Rhodenizer. I want to tell you about the song Sing a Song of Peace. This is a great addition to your repertoire leading up to Remembrance Day or Veterans Day or at any time of the year, because our world so desperately needs to be more peaceful, and that's a great message to instill in our children's voices and in their hearts and in their minds, and can be used at any time of the year. I will sing a bit of Sing a Song of Peace for you, and then we will come back and talk about this piece of music. Sing a song of peace, Dona, nobis, pacem. Do away with war and strife, honor every person's life. Sing a song of peace, Dona, nobis, pacem. Peace that starts in each heart will bring peace to all. Dona, nobis, pacem. Dona, nobis, Dona, nobis, pacem. Dona, nobis, pacem. Dona, nobis, Dona, nobis, pacem. Then the music will return to that opening theme and just has a little tag at the end. The lyrics for this are simple and the melody is simple. All of these were created and composed by design. When your students arrive in the music classroom or at your elementary choir or your regular outside of school hours choir, there's not a lot of time between the start of the school year and November. So you need a piece of music that can be learned and performed and sung well in a short period of time. There is also a handbell or hand chime part that goes with this song. I wrote this for my job share partner who is at a school where she has access to hand chimes, and so there is a hand chime part that can add another layer to this without taxing too much the ear and the vocal skills of your students early in the year. If they're not used to singing in parts, the handbell part or hand chime part will add the harmony and the three-dimensional aspect to this song without asking your students to sing it. However, in that Dona, nobis, pacem section in the middle, there is the option to either use hand chimes or to sing that. And it's a very simple descending Dona, nobis, pacem, pacem. And so if your students are at all inclined to be able to sing harmony, that should be easily learned and performed with your short window of contact time before November. The lyrics, again, are the beginning and the end sections are the same, and so there's not a heavy lyric load. And then the center section is just Dona, nobis, pacem, which is give us peace in Latin. And that, again, was created on purpose so that you have not a lot of lyrics to learn as you are putting together this piece of music. As far as teaching tips go, this song can actually be used in an elementary music classroom as well because of its simplicity. And you can talk about descending lines, you can talk about phrasing, you can talk about expressive singing, you can talk about the mood of the piece, a reflective kind of mood to the lyrical theme, and you can talk about how you will sing that to reflect that reflectiveness. This song is found at donnaandandy.com. On that page and with that download, you will receive the vocal score a separate score that I wrote out for the handbell or hand chime players, but the vocal part is also written in small cued notes, because I know for my students, I wouldn't want them to stand for half the piece and just stand there and wait to play. And so I would expect them to be singing as well. But their part is written in regular sized notes and the vocal part is written in cues. So they know where they are in the score, but they can sing along as well. There's a piano accompaniment part with just the piano. There's the piano with the melody guide played for voice 1, the melody guide for voice 2, and a track with both parts playing at the same time so you can hear how it fits. The part 2 is going to sound just like part 1 for the whole first verse and the first half of the Dona, nobis, pacem section, because there's just that one short descant line just to give them a taste of singing in harmony and hopefully get them excited about that possibility, but again, without being too heavy a load for them early in the year. Wherever you are, I hope you enjoy singing with your elementary school students, your choir students, your homeschool students, your vocal studio students, and have such a wonderful time instilling in them the love of singing, the love of music, and have a great day making music, and make music a great part of your day.